need some real nigga reparations, or I run up in your bank just for recreation. Dedication, hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying.
What is up? It's Yanni. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna do a mukbang. That's how you say it, a mukbang. I'm sorry, it's so loud in here. But I love pho. So if anybody doesn't know what pho is, it's a Viet soup. Like with rice noodles, you can get chicken, beef, broth, shrimp, tripe, meatballs, duck, whatever you want. There's like all types of crap.
That's delicious, thank you.
So we are at a place called Mint. Oh, ready to order. Go ahead.
I don't know what I want yet.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I didn't know if y'all were talking to me.
No. So these are the grilled shrimp steamed buns, and they're just like supposed to be buns, but it's kind of like a sandwich, but it's really supposed to be a bun. And that's cilantro, carrots, and the shrimp. Go ahead and try this, even though I've had it They also have a sauce on it. Alright, and these are the chicken wings. I think that is like, it looks like remoulade sauce at the bottom, or maybe like a mayonnaise, or I'm not sure, but I'm about to dig. And just so you guys know, flats are my favorite. This sauce is like a goddamn sriracha sauce or something. Sriracha mayonnaise, something. This is so hot. And for all y'all watching, asking me stupid shit like, why are you smacking? It's the purpose of the video. Hey, Drell, because I know you watching. And I know you talking shit. Okay, guys, now for the finale. This is pho. There's cilantro, there's onions, chicken. I have chicken pho because you know I don't eat beef or pork. The noodles are at the bottom. So let's watch as I tackle this pho. For my pho, how I eat it and garnish it, I put all the water sprouts and cilantro in because I love cilantro. Right? I squeeze this lime. Stubborn little lime. There ain't no juice in this lime. You see that? What a juice. Let's drop. Somebody help me. Got another lime. There's nothing in there either. Shady. Alright. Whatever. So I also get my cilantro. And I put it on this little plate just because they don't have like little petri dishes. And I put it on this plate. And I also get the hoisin sauce, just a tad bit because it's a little too sweet, but I like it, not just a lot of it, right? And I like to put it on my left hand. Go ahead and mix that in. The bowl is like seriously deep, so make sure you get like all your noodles, mix all of that in. Alright, so I get some sriracha, hoisin sauce, and I put everything on this noodle, on this spoon, and you slurp. So good. Go ahead and take a piece of chicken. You guys, piece of chicken. I gotta stop cursing on here. I be forgetting. Can't help it though. Ass. Is that really a curse word though? Nah. I mean, donkey. You know, everybody know that. Take a piece of chicken. That. Some of the juice. Okay guys, this is a molten lava cake and green tea ice cream. Oh. Not too bad. Warm in the inside, lava-y, molten-y. The green ice cream, it's just a little, it's not like soft. Alright guys, that was the conclusion to my mukbang. Please subscribe below. Do not forget to hit the like button to see what I'm gonna do next.